part of the discussion about your personal introduction was different. Now we'll come to the point. Okay, I don't know what you studied in your 9th and 10th class. I will have to go ahead with the syllabus. Now what is the syllabus? 50 marks, PUC second year, PUC first year?
Second year.
Second year?
Yes.
You came to second year now? Okay, PUC second year, 50 marks grammar, 50 marks literature. 50 marks grammar, 50 marks literature. Literature means lessons and poems. What you study in your 10th class, what you used to call this? Poems. Okay, we call it poems, not poems. Not that poems. It's poems. Okay, not poems. We are Indian. For us, every type of English is good English, correct English. Because we don't know what is correct. Especially Bidrian, the one who lives here. He speaks Kannada, he speaks Hindi, he speaks Telugu, he speaks Marathi. Oh my God. The reason is one, he can speak languages 4 or 5. If you go to Bangalore, either he knows only Kannada or English. No Hindi. If you go to Bangalore, if you go to Mysore, Dharwad, 4 districts of Karnataka, people have the ability of understanding 3 to 4 languages. If you go below, south side, South Karnataka, their mother tongue or else English. English is mandatory, English is compulsory. Yes, if you speak this Hindi there, in Bangalore, forget about normal Hindi. This hard, tough Hindi, they can't understand. No, tough Hindi, which is a tough Hindi, which has Urdu words. That is tough Hindi. Because Urdu words are different, Hindi words are different. When you say BB, understandable. Zoru. Now Zoru is a word of Urdu or not? Yes? Now BB itself they can't understand. Bangalorean, to tell them Zoru. Out of the sky. Something he said. English also we have the same thing. Why I am focusing for this? Because we do not know. That's what basics. Basics are important. The moment you have basic, you are good. Learning you will do. If you do not have basics, there are problems. Now what is the basic? These are the basic things. When I tell you poems, you will be get listen. You start using poems. Because somebody told you many times poems. We are saying poems. So the problem is where what we listen we say that. Yes. So somebody said poems, we say poem. When nobody has said poems, it looks something strange. Because we are listening first time. Yes? Late. So poems and lessons put together 50 marks that we call literature and the grammar section. There is nothing called grammar here. What grammar do you have? You have grammar, especially 43 marks reading section. 43 marks you got for reading section. Reading, you have a passage reading. Read passage, questions are given, answer them. You have poem reading, read poem, questions are given, answer them. You have note making, a paragraph is given, make note. So 43 marks in the grammar section, you have reading. The rest 7 marks you have grammar. Only 7 marks you have grammar. Now what the 7 marks is the toughest one. that we call direct speech and indirect speech. 5 marks. It's not that indirect speech what you study in your 10th standard. It is conversation between two people. One sentence is given, convert to indirect speech. One sentence is given, no, it's not like that. It is about the dialogue. Dialogue we have to judge based on the situation. What is the situation? Now, according to the situation, we have to use the correct reporting word. It told, said, inquired, informed, messaged, angry, what it is. You have to judge based on the reading of that. You are just saying, Donna Laura said Don Gonzalo. Situation is different. You are using the word said, your answer is wrong. Situation may be angry because you have to use Donna Laura angry with Don Gonzalo. What is the statement? Convert to indirect speech. But you are saying Donna Laura said is not the right term. So these things you didn't study in your 10th class. What you studied, this direct speech convert to indirect speech in this way. You studied like that. The rule you studied. Okay? So that is for 5 marks. And next 3 marks we have passive verbs. What do we have? Passive verbs. My students, wherever they are, especially in PUC, nobody failed till now. Wherever I teach, wherever Uday sir teaches, either I teach in Shaheen or in Diamond or in Divine or in Siddhi Vinayak, I work with 5 to 6 colleges. No students failed till now. The reason is technique. How to understand that and how to solve it. But it's difficult to score 90 plus. It's difficult to score 90 plus. You can score 45, 50, 55, 60. Why no? Because English is completely dependent on writing. English is not based on by heart. Biology you can by heart, chemistry you can by heart. But English you cannot by heart. That's why even if you see the last year result, nobody got 90 plus. Hardly few, 1 or 2. Mehvin, she got 91 or 92, I don't know. Your sister got how many marks in English? She got some 89 or something in language. Don't know. It means even if you are a brilliant student, you need to score 90 plus, 95 plus. You have to have an imagination of that. You should know how to keep it in a grammar form. Correct sentences formation should be there. Now when I am speaking with you, in my sentences you never find a single term grammatically gone error. Why? Because I am an English lecturer. I have to follow the bookish language of English. I can't use tuta puta Hindi, tuta puta Kannada because it is against my subject. Yes? For you, you have to keep it mandatory like this. Then only you can score 95 or else not. Some of you may be listening today continuously English because you are used to listen Hindi all time. Yes? So these all takes time. Psychologically you have to develop. Instantly within a day nothing is going to work out. Javelin throw. What is his name? Neeraj Chopra. Gold medalist for the country. Olympics. Neeraj Chopra. Yes? Because of that dedication, that passion for continuous practice. No family, no mobile, no friends, no relatives. He kept it aside himself. Look at his physique. He has to compete with the topmost people in the world. In the world. You understand my term? Has it come within a day? Within a minute? No. It is the consistent learning, consistent practicing. You are thinking something I will give you on the board, you will write today and go home, you will become tomorrow perfect. It's not like that. What I am speaking with you in the form of language, to understand, it takes gradually at least a month. Because it is English, I cannot teach in Hindi. If I teach you in Hindi, you understand in Hindi, but you have to write in English. And you know, when you something you translate in Hindi to English, what will happen? Day before yesterday on Friday you saw. Because English is vice versa language. It is the ulta language. Vice versa means, in English what do you say? Vice versa. In Hindi, ulta. It is a vice versa language. You write one sentence in Hindi and same sentence you write in English, you find the jumbling of the words. You do not get the sequence, what comes out. That's why gradually it takes time to adjust with me, to adjust with English. Right guys? So it is not poems, it is poem. Sometimes I'll also tell poems, sometimes I'll also tell poems, because we are Indians. Everything is remix. Badshah brings song from there and here and there. He copies, uses own music and sells. Yes or no? Am I correct? क्या बादशाह अपने खुद के गाने लिखते हैं कभी? तो दूसरों से तो लेके आता है, थोड़ा अपना एक दो सेंटेंस डालते हैं, वो भी रिपीट होते रहता है. बादशाह बादशाह बादशाह, वो एक ही वर्ड 5-6 बार रिपीट होते रहता है. यस, हम अगर ऐसे सिचुएशन को अडॉप्ट हो चुके हैं तो थोड़ा सही वे में करना समय लगता है. राइट गाइस? बादशाह, इंग्लिश शाह, okay. Reading section, as I told you, we got how many marks? 47. 43. Reading section, 43. The rest 7 marks, indirect speech and passive voice. Total 50. Now for 50 marks, what do you have? Literature and poems. What is that? Write down. Poems first. Poems. Selection of poems. Write names of poems. Names of poems. Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet. By William Shakespeare. By William Shakespeare. On children. Next poem. On children. Next poem on children by Khalil Gibran. By Khalil Gibran. Khalil Gibran. Khalil, K-A-H-L-I-L. Khalil Gibran. By Khalil Gibran. When you are old. When you are old. Next poem, when you are old. Okay, by W.B. Yeats. By W.B. Yeats. How do you call this? How do you pronounce it? W. It's W. W, not W. Okay? W we have Hindi sound. English term you say www.com, not www.com. It requires a lot of stress. www. W. B. Eats. Next one. Heaven if you are not here on earth. Heaven if you are not here on heaven, if you are not here on the earth. Heaven if you are not here on the earth. By Kuvempu. If, look at me, don't be a laborer. If reduced syllabus is given to you, this will be the poems. If reduced syllabus is given to you, reduced syllabus, okay? Because last year 4 poems, now 2 more poems. One is water, the second one is to the food from his child. Water and to the food from a child. These 2 poems were not there the last year because these were the toughest poems. These 2 were reduced. But still you write down because they are going to start in the month of August 23rd colleges. Might you get again a reduced syllabus? Might. I'm not saying you get. Might you get. If they are making it academic year for August to August, then full syllabus. No, they have to keep exams in the month of March, then only 4 exams. But still 2 are there, you just keep it as an extra. Okay, write down. To the food from his child. To the food from its child. To the food from its child. Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda. P-A-B-L-O, Pablo Neruda. N-E-R-U-D-A, Neruda. Pablo Neruda. To the food from a child. And the last one, water. The last one is water. Chalappalli Swaruparani. Chalappalli Swaruparani. Chalappalli. Now again focus here. Chalappalli. I'm not saying la. Why? In Hindi we have la. Yes, but in English we do not have la. So that's why la sound becomes only what sound? La sound. Have you heard Hallikhed? Heard Hallikhed? In Hindi it is Hallikhed, but in English it is Hallikhed. Why? Because in English there is no sound of la. These are basics. If a person says Hyderabad, then Hyderabad sound is of Hindi. But in English if you see something, the word is called in the end Hyderabad, the word is what? Bad or bad? Huh? In Hindi we say Madras. In Hindi what do you say? Madras. But in English if you write the word, you come to know first Madras. Maybe there are people who are mad. No, English sound is like this. Here we have to say Hyderabad. In English, Hyderabad, not Hyderabad. That's what I told you. I don't know basics what you studied. But these are like this. We cannot change them because we are not Britishers. English language is of Britishers, right? So that's why la sound here no ल sound. Chalapalli, Swaruparani. SWAROO. Swarup Rani. RANI. Now, see here. Roop ki Rani not. When you have any double letters or double numbers in English, you all time will have to keep OO, TT, not double O, not 91139, not double one. What you have to say? 11, not click 9113944. Yes, 44. This is wrong. Why? Because Englishers never say for any term double. Englishers never say for any term double. Why you have to learn basics? Why you have to learn basics? Are you going to get job here in Bidar? Once if you complete IIT, NIIT, engineering, you have to work in metro and you have to go for an interview. Then if you say 11, 44, 55, you are out of the race. Because they comes to know what is your English. Is it childish English or bookish English? Cutler English or Hitler English? Or Butler English or standard English? क्या बना दिया मैंने? मुझे ही नहीं मालूम अभी क्या मैंने बना दिया. Hitler, Cutler, Butler. So all these words belong to our English. Hitler, Cutler, Butler. Right, guys? So that's what I said. ROOP. I didn't say double O. Will you remember? Even for the numbers as well as for the letters. Chalapalli, Swaruparani. Put the marks for poem section. For poem section, how many marks you will be getting? Max to max 17 marks. For poems or poem section, you are going to get how many? 17 marks. Max to max. Okay? Minimum 15. Max to max 17. If you minimize it, come to 15. Next, lessons. Dear. First, focus about reduced syllabus, reduced portion. Okay, 2 dear. Next one. The gardeners. The water. Japan and Brazil. Where there is a wheel. Where there is a wheel. Where there is a wheel. These were the lessons of last year. Reduce the syllabus. Okay? Now extra. Completely if they talk about syllabus, then I believe that books will never disappear. I believe that books will never disappear. Everything I wanted to know, I learned in the forest. Next lesson. Everything I wanted to know, A sunny morning. Okay. So these are the lessons. If they asked lessons for 33 marks, then poems for 17 marks. If they ask lessons for 33 marks, poems for 17 marks. If they ask 35 marks lesson, then poems 15 marks. This is the range. This is the minimum range, this is the maximum range. This is the minimum range, this is the maximum range. Right? Come to grammar section. Grammar. Passage reading. Passage reading. 10 marks. Poem reading. Passage reading 10 marks. Poem reading 3 marks. Passive voice. Passive voice 3 marks. Indirect speech. Okay, wait. First one you tell me. Make 10 marks in front of the 10 marks. Next one, poem reading 3 marks. Write 3 marks in front of that. Next one, passive voice 3 marks. Indirect speech 5 marks. Dialogue writing. Dialogue writing. 4 marks. Expressions. 2 marks. Linkers. 4 marks. Letter writing. 5 marks. Pronoun. 4 marks. Speech writing. Okay, we can speech writing, make a slash. Report writing. 5 marks. Jumbled segment. Jumbled segment. Jumbled segment. 1 mark. I will count total 50 amount. Hmm? 46. Note making. 4 marks. If they fail to remove some portion, then what they can add? Example, note making they want to remove, or they want to remove poem reading, then what they can add? Okay, keep it or. Big center you write or. First one, articles, prepositions, subject agreement with verb, do forms, WH forms, question tag, idioms and phrases, idioms, idiom, idioms, yes, and phrases, idioms and phrases. Okay, so these put together from grammar section 7 marks.